back to another video. Today we're going to be looking at this right here. Now you guys know we already took this mudding. It has been in a lot of my other videos. So today we're going to be taking it mudding and hitting tons of jumps. Let's get started.
Now we just need awesome music. And that's how you do it.
That's how you do it.
So you have it tied to a string. Basically what he does is he ties it to a string. Once it's in the air, he lets go and sees if he can land it with the truck. What are you doing here? What are you? What rock fall?
Yeah.
Try it off of this.
Off of that.
Right there.
Oh, I will.
Yeah.
Rock crawler.
Good job.
Come here. Let's see if I can hit it. Going into the fish rock. Hitting it. It has survived. Alright.
That wasn't that gruesome.
Let's take it farther into the bush. Dude, we should take it through that water. That's one reason that I have the string attached, so I can take it through the water. No idea if we can cross this.
In our exploration series, this is where I fell through by accident. It was all frozen before, but now it's not. Let's go fishing with the truck.
See, like, how far could I take this in? Dude, I can't get across that, could you?
Go around, walk around there.
Oh yeah.
Or you can just throw it in the water. It wouldn't hurt it.
I'll just throw it in the water and then walk across there. Okay, I'm just gonna throw it in the water to get it across. Alright.
And it landed it.
Yeah, this is actually a good spot. I should just go around.
Good job. Is it wet?
Yeah, it's wet. It's not a waterproof RC. It could be, but it's not very. You want to keep it up there, Austin?
Sure.
Thumbs up if you like this video.
Yeah. And this is where you fell down in the exploration series.
Yeah.
He was rolling like a pro, and then we asked to subscribe. You should put a link in the description below.
I will.
To that video.
And I'll put a link into this remote control car too.
Cool.
So, and we are filming this video on a iPod Touch.
The 5th generation. That was actually a soft landing. That was good.
I know.
You want to do a funny face for YouTube? Okay, there we go. There's his awesome face for YouTube. Oh, backwards landing. We need to have some special effects in this, like fire coming off the tires and stuff.
Thumbs up, guys, if you want me to get a real RC out here, and we'll do lots of drifts. Tons of drifts. Would you like that? Austin?
See ya.
Yeah!
Hit this sideways. Hit it from here.
Oh, actually.
Hit that right there.
Let that one fly.
Look into the sun.
It's still perfectly fine. Let's look underneath the car. Not even a scratch. What?
Impressive. Is there going to be 2 parts to this video, or?
It's just going to be one part. It's going to be an epic long video.
Okay.
Let's go all the way through that.
Oh, yeah.
Well, it's doing good now.
Yeah, I won't go down there.
No, I'm not going. Look, it's a little big swamp.
Yeah, it's a huge swamp. I'm going to call that a lake.
Yeah.
Let's go fishing.
What makes
Oh, jump that. You should start letting go so it goes flying or something. You want to launch it off of something? Over the log? Try and see if you can land it by throwing it over the log. Right there.
Over the log? Over here we'll do that.
Over this tree thing here. Launch it over. Oh, if you had an RC car, you could drive it underneath there. All the way over.
Dude, I'm putting
underneath
a
that.
GoPro on top of my RC car.
That's awesome.
Man.
Oh! Dun, 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 dun. Good job. Keep rubbing the boat. Pull it. Launch it. Let go. It landed.
Dude, this thing flies like a
Seriously, like there's wings on it. Drifts for days. One more funny face for YouTube. Oh yeah, okay. Want to make another jump? Oh, hit that. Hit that and let go. So basically the way he hits these jumps is he ties it to a string and then lets go once it's in the air.
Or just does that.
Or he just pushes it or throws it over stuff.
No.
Yeah, how you did that with the log.
Yeah, I did. But it still landed it. Dude, I remember my jump from last year that I'm actually going to take it across my four-wheeler jump. Remember that?
Yeah. Oh, this thing here?
Yeah.
Oh, that was awesome.
Yeah, it was.
I think this will be the last jump of the day, Eagles. It landed it! So, I'm pretty sure that's going to be it for today.
Peace! No, peace on the street, son.